Imagine not having to work at a job that you hate. Imagine being able to do whatever you wanted and not having to worry about making a living. This is the type of life you get after retirement. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm called Josh, and today, we have another exciting video in store for you. This video will be talking about what you need to do to retire early and retire with enough money. We've put in a lot of time and effort to bring you the best tips, tricks, and insights, so make sure you stick around till the end. Alright, enough talking, let's jump right into today's video. Retiring early is a goal many people aspire to, and achieving it requires careful planning and financial discipline. Here are some steps to help you on your path to early retirement. Minimize debt. Pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards or personal loans, as quickly as possible. Minimizing debt reduces your financial obligations and allows you to save more effectively. Having huge debt can really weigh you down financially and even put you in a trap that can be very hard to get out of. The reason for this is that the interest on the loan could be growing at a much faster rate than what you are paying. Living beyond one's means and spending more than what is earned can lead to a debt trap. The easy availability of credit cards, personal loans, and other forms of borrowing can lure individuals into spending beyond their means. Without proper financial discipline, individuals can accumulate debt quickly, especially if they rely heavily on credit without the means to repay it. A lack of knowledge about personal finance, budgeting, and debt management can contribute to poor financial decision-making, which will contribute to you retiring when you're very old or maybe even not retiring at all. Assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Calculate your net worth and evaluate your current savings rate. You need to fight the urge for short-term pleasure so as to enjoy the long-term gain that comes from saving and investing your money wisely. The more you sacrifice today, the faster you are likely to retire from your main job and get to work on the things that you actually enjoy. Determine why you want to save and set specific, achievable goals. Having clear objectives will motivate you to save. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. By automating your savings, you ensure that a portion of your income goes directly into savings before you have a chance to spend it. Limit your impulse purchases and evaluate whether you truly need certain items before buying them. This will help free up some more money for savings and investing, which will help you retire much earlier than your peers. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget that allows you to save a significant portion of your income. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and allocate the freed up funds towards savings and investments. Budgets suck, I know. But having the discipline to follow your budget will keep you on track and avoid money wastage. Increase your savings rate each year. Aim to save a high percentage of your income by setting aside a specific portion every month. You can start saving an amount you are currently comfortable with and then keep increasing the amount to be saved. This will require some sacrifices and a significant change to your current financial behavior, although I can promise you that it's gonna be worth it. The point I made earlier about automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers would actually be extremely helpful with these increases that you are trying to make. Define your financial goals. Determine the age at which you want to retire and estimate the amount of money you'll need to support your desired lifestyle during retirement. Keep in mind that you also have to be very realistic with these goals, as you need to consider the amount of salary, your age, and even your lifestyle. Maximize retirement contributions. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401k, IRA, or similar options available in your country. Contribute the maximum amount allowed, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Invest wisely. Develop an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. Educate yourself about investment options or consult with a financial advisor. You could start other small businesses that could be bringing you passive income in your pocket. When they become profitable, it'll reduce the importance of your main 9-to-5 jobs. Here you'll have more power. You can choose to quit the job entirely or even push for a salary increment. And to top it all off, if you actually enjoy working on the passive income businesses, you are as good as retired. For me, I'm a strong believer that retirement is getting paid to do things that you are passionate about. Reduce expenses. Look for opportunities to cut costs and save money. This could involve downsizing your living arrangements, reducing discretionary spending, or exploring ways to lower recurring expenses like insurance, utilities, or subscriptions. Generate additional income. Consider ways to increase your income outside of your regular job. This could involve freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in income-generating assets like rental properties or dividend stocks. Monitor and adjust your plan. Regularly review your financial progress, reassess your goals, and adjust your plan accordingly. Stay informed about investment trends, economic changes, and tax laws that may impact your retirement strategy. Remember, retiring early requires discipline, patience, and long-term commitment. It's essential to continuously evaluate your progress, seek professional advice when necessary, and adapt your plan as your circumstances evolve. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching this far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you.